Hello students, today's topic is the subject and the predicate. Subject teacher Kamal Bansinajan. Let's see the sentence. When we speak or write, we use words. We use the meaningful words in groups. A group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete idea. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete idea, and that is a sentence. A sentence has two components, and that two components are first subject and second predicate. First, subject. The subject of a sentence is the part which names the person, thing, etc. that we speak about in that sentence. In that sentence, we speak about that person or about that thing, and that is the subject of a sentence. Now see the predicate, the part which tells something about the subject. This is called the predicate of the sentence. Or you can say that the remaining part of the sentence tells us more about the subject, and this remaining part is called predicate. Subject and predicate. The subject of a sentence usually comes first. For example, the sun rises in the east. The sun is the subject, but occasionally it is put after the predicate. For example, down went the Royal George. Here, the place of subject is changed. The Royal George is the subject, but it happens occasionally. Next, in the imperative sentences, the subject is left out. In imperative sentences, there is no subject. For example, keep quiet. The subject you is understood here. Now, this picture tells you something more about subject and predicate. For your better understanding, subject and predicate, see, in red ink, the word nature, and in blue ink is the best friend. Nature is subject and remaining part of the sentence is predicate. That is the best friend is predicate. Look at this figure or this table carefully. I hope you understand the concept, subject and predicate very well. Now, our best understanding, note the subjects in the sentences. You have model sentences here and subjects are in red ink. Note this point, subjects are in red ink. First sentence, Mary has a little lamb. Mary is subject. This is our school. This is subject. He is a very bright student. He is subject. They are working on the farm. They is subject. Now, note the predicate in the sentences. Model sentences. Predicates are in blue ink. Note this point. Predicates are in blue ink. Mary has a little lamb. Has a little lamb is predicate. This is our school. Is our school is predicate. He is a very bright student. Is a very bright student is predicate. They are working on the farm. Are working on the farm is predicate. From the verb to the end of the sentence, it's predicate. You can say. I hope you understand the concept of sentence. The concept of a sentence has two components, subject and predicate. Now you have an assignment here. That assignment is in the following sentences, note and separate the subject and the predicate. The sentences are here. The earth is the third planet from the sun. I go round and round the earth. The books are our best friends. Great scientific minds are restless with questions. They set up a library in the village. These are sentences for you to note and separate the subject and the predicate. Student, today we have learned the concept of sentence, the concept of two components, subject and predicate. I hope you enjoy the lesson, you understand the lesson. Thank you. Goodbye.